Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we are gonna be making a Shalipopi kind of beat. So, without wasting time, grab your headphones. Let's get into FL Studio and make a Shalipopi kind of beat. Let's go. Right. So, what I'm gonna do first, I'm just gonna play the beat so you guys have an idea of how the beat sounds. And I'm sure once I'm playing the beat, you guys should be nodding your head because for me, I feel like it's banging. So, just get your headphones and let's just hear what this vibe sounds like. All right, so yeah, I'm sure you felt the vibe now, the nice bass, the log drums, everything just sounds amazing. So let's just go right to the breakdown. Basically, first thing first, when Shalipopi dropped that Lahore vibe, man, for me, that bass, that bass, I was just giving it the groove. I was like, damn, this bass is amazing. And I was like, where am I going to get this bass? And luckily for me, I found that bass in Fruity DX10, right? Fruity DX10 is where that bass is. So in case it's in FL Studio, just go to your preset and they're gonna see it's called bass block. Bass block. So that was like, the whole vibe that started it. So we have this. So that's the bass. Yeah, I think I heard the bass. Nice, sounds really amazing. I'm gonna go to my mixer. I didn't do anything. I just use my EQ to just cut out some frequencies until in that bass I was not really feeling. And I said that, so let me just go over to the breakdown, right? So I had that bass, but before then, I have this song that Boy just dropped titled Mykah, an amazing vibe. Just an amazing vibe. So yeah, I got some of the percussions from that vibe, right? So I'm just gonna start with this vocal. I have the vocal. Yeah, so I think I got this bass. I think I got this vocal from Plice. Yeah, so let me just try and look for it. We have this vocal. So with our bass, we have. Yeah, with another vocal. Yeah, for this vocal, what am I actually doing? So I just use my EQ to take out the low end, right? Use another EQ to just bring down this frequency. Using dynamic EQ, then added some reverb to it. Then I layer it with another vocal, and this sounds like. Yeah, so together it sounds like this. Very nice way to start an intro. Like, it just sounds so classic, so amazing. And yeah, then the next thing is my kick. So the kick, very soft kick. So it's just like the kick is not there because I wanted like that bass to be like the major thing you hear. So yeah, so that's why we have that. Don't have our rim shot. Yeah, so this, like I said, this what is it called? This snares are from that jam that Boy dropped, Mykah song. Yeah, so yeah, I just took out this stems from it. So have this snare, then there's another layer under like stick. So yeah. Yeah, you can see how. Yeah, so that's basically everything for the intro. Then there's just gonna be like a shaker. So I have the shaker. Hey, so this is what's giving it the groove. Yeah, so on that shaker. So all these are just loops basically, but these loops are what just gives it the groove, and loops are there for you to just use them to make work easier for you. So yeah, we have another on that shaker. So I think this is another snare. Yeah, so this popular snare, this popular piano snare. Then I added this, yeah, so just like yeah, and that's it for the intro. That's basically for the intro. So when we got to the verse, for the verse, I just wanted it to be, emotional. So we have these chords. So I'm using Diva. So I'm using this HS Chill and Lounge Lizard. So just playing some chords. Let me just show you guys what's the chord is playing. Yeah, then I added some pizzicato strings from Expand. Yeah. Hell. So with the bass. Yeah. So and every other thing stays consistent. Then at this point, I wanted to have some nice flute. So I have the flute, and it just hits the vibe. So I have. So yeah, basically when I want to create like a Shalipopi vibe, you just need to get like a mixture of like piano drums and some Afro drums. So that's why you have. Yeah, you can feel the groove of the drums. So that's all everything for the drum with the bass. Let's put in the bass now. Then there has to be some log drums. So we have the log drums. Yeah, so this is what the log is playing. I'll put it top of this. So mixture of it on that log drum. Have this. So with the vocal now, we have. the other vocal. Yeah, then I just added more pads, so I have this pad here. I like peculiar sounds, so I've definitely go there for my pad. So I have this nice sounding pad. Does the same chord. Then I have this string from SKY keys, from Sky keys. Then we have this sign. Yeah, so putting all those in place, we have this. And I think that's basically everything. So yeah, that's just the whole vibe. So you can see how very easy it is to make like a Shalipopi kind of beat. So most times you want to start like a Shalipopi kind of beat, it's just easy. You can just go to Splice, get some nice shakers, or just get an Amapiano pack that has some nice shakers and some nice drum loops. You already got the drums sorted. So after the drums, you could just put in some energetic melody. So let's just listen from the top again. Yeah, but this is a vibe. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. And if you got something from this video and want to see more amazing videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And guys, if you're ready to subscribe, please subscribe. Let's get a 60K, man. Let's get a 60K. Support me by sharing this video. And thank you guys for watching. And if you want to get access to amazing FLPs, amazing sample packs, all you have to do is be a part of the Patreon, and you have lots and lots of amazing stuff. And the link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.